All right. I'm so excited because Daphne Mills from Weight Watchers is here. And before you show us all the remakes of holiday recipes, easy, healthy, we just have to show that these really work because, can we see Daphne before?
Dun, 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 dun. Jamie did put it in.
Okay.
Just kind of like the script, kind of like my lyrics to the Grinch thing. Jamie, I need to speak to you in my office today. Anyway,
It's okay. It's
how
okay.
much? How many pounds did
I
you
lost 111 pounds with Weight Watchers.
That's
really
okay. We've
amazing.
shown it a million times, so those who watch the show know
thank you.
that
I
you
was
cannot
wondering-
recognize Daphne
Right.
before.
And 5 years later, you're still at this weight.
I'm still at this weight.
Which
It's
is-
almost 4 years.
And it's-
almost 4
4
years.
And this is
Right.
not about deprivation. I feel like what's so great is that you're saying, go ahead, have Thanksgiving, eat.
Enjoy.
And it can be delicious. It's just we can cook a little differently.
Absolutely.
And it's still going to be good, but you're going to chop the calories and put in a lot more nutrition.
Absolutely. And you were starting off earlier saying how you need more activity. Weight Watchers just launched, I have to tell you, ActiveLink, which is the only fitness and activity monitor that assesses your activity levels all day and transfers your activity into points plus values.
All right, so wait, what do you do?
Brand new.
Do you put
It's
this
right
on?
here.
Oh, so that's it?
Yes.
It's a
right here.
necklace?
Well, you can. I'm wearing it so that you can see it, but you can wear it as a necklace. You can wear it on your waist. Like here's
Oh, look,
another
you got a
clip
little
for
clip
it.
there, okay.
You can wear it on your bra strap or your T-shirt.
Do you input it or it just knows how much you're walking? Is it like a...
You link the monitor to your computer, and each person gets their own personalized web page, and each Weight Watchers member is able to go online and track their activity levels. And it will basically challenge you to move more. It will give you tips and suggestions on how to be more active throughout your entire day.
So you
And it
enter like
assesses
how much you
everything.
walked or whatever.
You don't have to enter
It knows-
anything.
No,
because the funny thing
you
is-
wear it all day.
Wear it and it knows how many
and
steps you took.
It monitors your steps. It monitors not just your activity level.
Because my brother and
And it gives you a
I, my brothers were in town, my mother and I, we went for a walk, and we were like, how much are we walking? We had no idea the distance. So we went to like our web thing, and it was like a pedometer
Pedometer.
or whatever that thing is. But this will do it all for us.
This will do it all. It
That's
monitors
awesome.
everything for you.
That's
All
great.
right, so
Okay.
then,
So, yes.
let's start with the stuffing because it's my favorite side.
Ooh.
This is just store-bought stuffing.
Store-bought stuffing, about 400 calories, between 11 to 13 points plus values.
Oh my gosh, and this
Weight
is-
Watchers stuffing with chives and sage, about 135 calories, and
it's better, I'm telling you.
5 points plus values. Yes.
It's so good.
And also with the
What goes into
traditional.
your stuffing? What goes into your stuffing?
This stuffing is actually full of fiber because it's made with whole wheat toast.
Ah,
With the
okay.
whole wheat
toast.
bread.
But
You
you
just
still
toast up
have-
whole wheat.
Yeah.
You still a little bit of butter. You can use light butter. So a little bit of butter. There's some onions. There's celery. There's sage and chives. Still made the same way, except only it's more filling because it's got the fiber in it, as
Okay.
opposed to your regular white bread stuffing.
All
So
right.
it's more
Yeah,
satisfying.
But it still has that traditional taste of the celery and onion and sage that so
Because
many
that's
people
still
love.
in there, yes.
All right.
Oh, it's delicious.
And then you have your sweet potato casserole, which packs well over 300 calories. And then Weight Watchers candied sweet potatoes, which pretty much is about 155 calories per serving. The store-bought is about 9 points plus values. Weight Watchers is 3 points plus values.
All right, so less than half.
For the serving, yes.
These are just sweet potatoes, and what did you add to flavor them?
We have some syrup. We have
What kind of
light
syrup?
brown sugar.
Maple syrup?
Maple syrup.
Real
yes.
maple syrup,
Real
yeah.
maple syrup. Light brown sugar and unsweetened orange juice.
Wow.
Yes.
All right.
And now I see marshmallows on there. You can't
Yes.
do the marshmallows?
Well, you can do anything, really.
'Cause
But
it's a
the lighter
marshmallow
version,
world
you can.
in the living.
If you really like the marshmallow, not everyone's crazy about marshmallows in their sweet potatoes. You can take some light Cool Whip and
I don't like
place it on
marshmallows,
top.
but
But that's for the pie as well. You can put that on your potato. That's fine too.
Scott, it's not really till Thursday Thanksgiving.
You can have that anyway. And Thanksgiving really is just one day and one meal. And
Yeah.
you can get out and
Sure.
move more and be more active.
The leftovers, okay.
that is
But
wonderful.
lastly, the pumpkin pie. How
Yes.
many calories are in a regular slice?
Store bought, about 325.
Oh, okay. I
Weight
thought it was like
Watchers.
900, so that's actually better than I thought.
Right. Weight Watchers is pumpkin pie with a cinnamon graham cracker crust. And this is about 175 calories.
Let's share.
175.
Let's
Yes.
share. I don't want 175 calories.
All right, here,
Share.
we'll take this.
Okay. Just
Oh,
bites.
geez, I'm sorry,
We're
Dad.
doing
Okay.
BLTs, bites, licks, and taste.
Oh, yes, Weight Watchers.
Here we go.
Oh my gosh, that's delicious.
Thank you.
I would not know the difference. It's wonderful.
All the
Thank you.
recipes we'll put on BetterCT.com.
Yes, of course.
And I need that healthy mac and cheese that you did for my kids,
I
because
will
that's
get
what
that
they'll
for
eat.
you.
Okay.
Yes.
Do not stress this holiday season how to keep you cool and keep what's most important to you at the forefront.
Yes. I'm going to show
Have
you
some, like,
how to
Cool
have a
Whip with that, too.
gratitude journal wherever you are.
We'll be right back. Thank you.